In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create demo account on Metatrader 5. A demo account lets you practice trading with virtual funds in the real market environment, so you can learn the platform and test strategies without risking money. I will walk you through both desktop and mobile, and I will point out helpful options along the way so you get everything set up smoothly. On desktop, start by opening MT5. At the top left, go to the File menu and choose Open an Account. You will see a list of available brokers. If you already have a broker in mind, select their server. If not, choose MetaQuotes Ltd to create a standard demo account right away. Next, pick the option that says Open a demo account to trade virtual money and click Next. Now enter your details. Type in your name, a working email, and a phone number. These fields help identify your demo profile and can be used for notifications. But you don't need to enter anything sensitive beyond basic contact info. Configure your trading settings by choosing your leverage, such as 1 in 100, and set your initial deposit. It's a good idea to pick an amount that's close to what you might fund in a real account, so your practice feels realistic. Higher leverage amplifies both gains and losses, so choose a level that matches how you plan to trade. When you are ready, agree to the terms and click Next. MT5 will generate your login ID and password for the demo account. Save these securely before you proceed. Copy them to a safe place you control and never share them. Click Finish. And the platform will log you in automatically so you can start practicing immediately. On mobile, open the Metatrader 5 app. Tap the menu icon, then select Manage Accounts or Get Started. And tap the plus sign at the top. In the search bar, type your broker's name or enter MetaQuotes. Select the server you want, then choose Open a demo account. Provide your name, phone number, and email, and customize your virtual deposit and leverage to match your learning goals. When everything looks good, tap Register or Start. Your login and password will appear on screen. Take a screenshot for your records and store it safely, keeping it private. That's it. Thanks for watching.